Consciousness has always been one of the biggest mysteries in science and philosophy. What makes us aware? How do we experience the world? Some scientists now suggest that our thoughts and awareness might come from the electromagnetic fields created by our brains, rather than just from the activity of neurons. It's a fascinating idea that offers a new way to think about the mind. In the early 2000s, neuroscientist John Joe McFadden from the University of Surrey proposed that the brain's electromagnetic field could be what creates consciousness. When neurons send electrical signals to communicate, they generate tiny electromagnetic waves. According to this theory, these waves interact to form our awareness. This means that our thoughts, emotions, and sense of self might not come only from brain cells working together, but also from the invisible energy field they produce. This challenges the usual belief that consciousness is just the result of brain chemistry and electrical signals. Scientists know how neurons send messages using chemicals and electrical impulses, but they still don't fully understand how all of this creates a unified experience. The electromagnetic theory suggests that the brain's energy field could be what connects everything together into one seamless awareness. Other ideas have tried to explain consciousness in unusual ways. Some researchers have looked into quantum mechanics, exploring whether tiny structures inside brain cells could be involved in consciousness. While these theories are different, they all suggest that consciousness might involve more than just traditional brain activity. Not everyone agrees with this theory. Some scientists argue that electromagnetic fields change too quickly to store information the way our brains do. Others point out that just because brain waves are linked to thoughts doesn't mean they create them. Some believe these waves are just side effects of brain activity, like the heat a light bulb gives off when it's on. But if McFadden's idea is right, it could involve many changes. For example, how we treat brain disorders. Conditions like depression or epilepsy might be managed with electromagnetic treatments instead of just medication. It could also change how we think about artificial intelligence. If consciousness comes from electromagnetic fields, could machines be designed to become self-aware? The theory also raises the question of whether external electromagnetic influences could shape or even manipulate human consciousness. If our thoughts and experiences are tied to the brain's energy field, then external electromagnetic sources, whether natural or artificial, might have an impact on perception, mood, or even cognitive function. This possibility could open new avenues for enhancing mental abilities, but also raises ethical concerns about potential manipulation. The debate isn't settled, but this theory is making scientists rethink how the mind works.